What a cute dog. What's their name?
Hi, thank you. This is Sabrina.
Sabrina. How old is Sabrina?
Sabrina is 7 years old.
Have you ever used the password Sabrina7?
Wow, I need to change my password.
I would. And you're not alone. We can all be predictable with our passwords. Strong passwords are long and contain a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Use different passwords for different accounts and consider a password manager to keep track of them.
What are you, some sort of cybersecurity expert or something?
Well, yes, I am. And for an extra layer of security, use another form of authentication, sometimes referred to as two-factor authentication or MFA.
Is that where they text or email you?
Yes.
Okay.
When you go to sign in, you get a code via text or email. You plug the code in to confirm it's you, and you're good.
Simple and safe. I like it.
Just don't confirm any requests you didn't ask for. Scammers use fake requests to get into your accounts. You wouldn't want anyone getting into Sabrina's pet food delivery account.
You are absolutely right about that.
There you have it. Ruby from Accenture, reminding you to stay informed and trust your instincts.